All right, well, doing some detail work on my Range Rover. And this is one of the things that makes the car look old. This pitting and disgusting on the handles. Rather than repainting them, if you can find them, there's an outfit in the UK called Powerful UK, and they make color-coded covers for the handles of these cars. It comes with some alcohol wipes. You definitely want to wipe off your handles first, get rid of any sort of film. And then the back side of them has double stick 3M tape. And basically the idea is that when they're clean, you're gonna hook it. You're gonna hook it on this inside edge, and then making sure that it's pressed in really well. Then you just secure them. So that's a dry fit. You can see already that's how it's gonna look. All right, so let's compare, shall we? There's a back one. There's the front one. And I decided to go with the keyhole visible. I'm not trying to pass this car off as being newer. I just wanted it to look like a really well-maintained original car.